Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best nail polish that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Mineral Fusion Nail Polish Remover, Acetone Free. This acetone free nail polish remover a 5-star rating. This nail polish remover is hypoallergenic, vegan, cruelty-free, and contains no artificial fragrances. Several reviewers rave about how well it works with glitter polish. Seriously, this is one nail polish remover you won't mind using, which is good news, as leaving polish on too long is one of those everyday habits that can ruin your nails. That offers a wide variety of gel nail polish sets. Their sets range from subtle designs to bold, eye-catching patterns. I've had my Beetles gel nail polish kit for almost 2 years, and I love it. The colors are stunning, last forever, and come in a huge variety for a super affordable price point. These luxurious black-owned polishes are also 10-free, in addition to cruelty-free and vegan. They apply like a dream, stay just as smooth and chip-free well past the week mark, and come in unique colors that pop on all skin tones, like this groovy chartreuse that'll transport you straight to summertime. This nail polish remover is hypoallergenic, vegan, cruelty-free, and contains no artificial fragrances. Several reviewers rave about how well it works with glitter polish. Seriously, this is one nail polish remover you won't mind using, which is good news, as leaving polish on too long is one of those everyday habits that can ruin your nails. The Dior nail polish collection includes both gel and traditional nail polish formulas. Dior nail polish is made with a patent-pending formula that contains a color indicator pigment. This means that the polish can be identified as Dior by simply placing it under UV light. Number 2, Essie Salon-Quality Nail Polish, 8 Free Vegan. Essie is a powerhouse player in the world of nail polish brands, so we had to throw their frosty hue in the testing mix. Our testers were appeased by the easy application and glamorously glossy results after 2 coats of this lacquer. Essie makes several shades of white, and this one, Blanc, is a true intense white our tester shared after application. They were wowed by the shorter than anticipated dry time when the polish was hardened after just 20 minutes. I always press gently on my nail polish to determine if it's dry, and if there's no fingerprint or smudge, I'll press harder. I pressed very hard, and there was no residual imprint in the polish, they explained. I am confident I could go about my day and retain the beauty of my nails. Fast drying time aside, the finish is the real standout here. While a stark white nail polish can easily come off streaky or thick, this version impressed our tester with its silky smooth results. However, the paper white look wasn't for them. I would prefer it were more matte and if the white wasn't quite so intense. The shade of white was more opaque than I prefer, they admitted. If you're someone who's searching for a great value and high-intensity white shade, then we've found the polish for you. But if you have a sheerer tone in mind, keep scrolling, we've got other options. Hence. The shade of white was more opaque than I prefer, they admitted. If you're someone who's searching for a great value and high-intensity white shade, then we've found the polish for you. But if you have a sheerer tone in mind, keep scrolling, we've got other options. Number 3, Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail Polish, Shade Frill Seeker. There's a good reason why this is the number 1 best-selling gel polish in the US. Simply put, the formula is pretty darn epic. It packs a serious shine and impressive staying power, and the flat-headed brush makes application a breeze. Not to mention, there are nearly 100 colors to pick from. For best results, the color is meant to be used on bare nails and topped with the Miracle Gel Top Coat. This innovative gel polish, which doesn't require the usual light to cure. Our lab experts reported that this lacquer dried fast, chipped less and lasted longer than regular nail polish, though it didn't last for 2 full weeks, as the brand claims. Deeper colors were rich and fabulous even after 1 coat, one tester raved. If you want to use an acetone-based nail polish remover but are worried about already weak or thin nails, don't be. This strengthening nail polish remover is specially formulated for weak, thin nails. It contains acetone but is enriched with vitamins, proteins, and other nutrients to help soften cuticles and keep nails strong and healthy. It's even more challenging to find a barely there neutral that works across all skin tones. Enter this shade from Essie, which is as long-lasting as it is universal. This is a sheer tan nude that is universally flattering, a staple in my collection, and the most requested for editorial manicures. Number 4, MEMEDA Nail Gel Polish Spring Summer Nail Art. An Amazon customer favorite, MEMEDA is the perfect brand to start your nail collection. With basic shades for the color reverse, MEMEDA offers great coverage and wear for those who love gel but want to skip the in-salon process. Beetles is one such company that offers a wide variety of gel nail polish sets. Their sets range from subtle designs to bold, eye-catching patterns. I've had my Beetles gel nail polish kit for almost 2 years, and I love it. The colors are stunning, last forever and come in a huge variety for a super affordable price point. This affordable nail polish remover only sets you back around $3 and it won't damage your nails. It's acetone-free and contains high levels of natural oils to nourish nails rather than dry them out. If you're worried about dry nails, you'll definitely want to pick them up. It comes to quality. The liquid glass lacquer elixir from Static Nails is elite thanks to its non-toxic formula that has been crafted with natural antioxidants to promote the health of your nails while still delivering richness. That made it easier to apply it to the full nail with 1 or 2 strokes they shared. Though the brush was a perk, our tester found that the application was a bit streaky on their nails after 2 coats, requiring a third. It's the first and only polish brand on the market using recycled plastic components in its packaging, in addition to biodegradable bamboo overcaps and FSC-certified paperboard boxes. Plus, the formulas are vegan, cruelty-free, toxin-free, and infused with myrrh extract to boost nail strength. Number 5 OP Nail Lacquer, Bubble Bath, Nude Nail Polish. I can always count on OP's bubble bath to stay intact for days. This is the color I use when traveling because I won't have to worry about having to touch it up. Just 2 thin layers will give your nails a nice natural sheen without bubbles or cracks. Some darker OP polishes chip at the 2-day mark, but the lighter, sheer shades tend to have longer lifespans. Then you may find favor with OP's iconic shade Funny Bunny. Our tester raved that this was hands down their favorite polish of the day. I often heard the words whiteout tossed around today because the polishes were too opaque, they quipped, regarding the stark white polishes that populated the testing lab. This polish is slightly translucent and creates a beautiful final color that is not too white. Not to mention, the product glided on seamlessly. Like, comment and share, please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.